everybody, welcome to my channel Mary C. Tarigan. Hari ini kita ada kedatangan tamu dari Korea. Her name is
Mia.
Oke, jadi kali ini kita bakalan tantang dia untuk memperkenalkan diri dengan bahasa Karo. Oke? We will give you a challenge to read Kalakkaro.
Sure.
Okay. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good. Okay. Okay, check it out. We will see.
Hello. Majua. Uga beritandu. Seat krina. Kalakkorea. Kalakkorea nari. Aku erlajar. Bahasa Karo lubeya. Okay. Sada, dua, telu, empat, lima, enam, pitu, walu, siwa, sepuluh. Uga kapkena, anggobanci, aku jadi Kalakkaro. 부주루 감사합니다.
Good, you did a really good job.
Oh,
Yeah, you know that's perfect. 10 from 10.
Oh,
Really good job. So, jadi teman-teman uga gak kena, jadi baca jadi Kalakkaro entah lah. Kira-kira berubah gak kena juga dia. Cie. Jadi because in my village we have 5 titles women. So they have like my Tarigan, Ginting, Karo, Prangin, Semiring. So this is all the titles. Okay. So I asked my friend in Kabanjahe what they think your title will. Maybe you probably Tarigan, Ginting, Prangin, Semiring, Karo. So we will ask them. So we will see what the title of your last name later.
Okay, I see.
Are you ready to be Kalakkaro?
Oh yeah.
Oh ya, sure. Good. Okay. So teman-teman jangan lupa ya like, share, and subscribe. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.